Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to English Channel Daily. Today, we go on a massive journey. We spend our time at the hotel. I am Sasha.
And I am Miles. My travel coffee tastes amazing today. Hello, Sasha, and hello to our family of learners, our daily learners around the world. Are you ready to travel with us today?
Hotels are important, Miles. We use them for holidays, for business, and for family trips. But speaking English in a hotel can make you feel anxious. Miles, tell our friends, what does anxious mean?
Anxious. A-N-X-I-O-U-S. It means you feel a little bit scared. Your heart beats fast. You worry about making mistakes. But don't worry. Sasha and Miles are here to help you grow.
Exactly. Before we check in, please join our community. Click subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that bell. It helps our family grow. Now, let's start with our first task, booking the room. Miles, imagine I am at home. I am calling your hotel in London. I want a place to stay. Learners, listen to my sentences and repeat them. Hello, good afternoon. I'd like to book a room for 2 people, please.
Good afternoon. I can certainly help you with that. When are you planning to arrive?
I need a room for 3 nights from tomorrow.
Very good. Would you like a single room, a double room, or a twin room?
Wait, everyone. This is a very common mistake. Miles, explain the difference between a twin and a double.
A double room has one large bed for 2 people, but a twin room has 2 separate beds. It is important to know this so you are comfortable.
I understand. I'll take a double room with a nice view, please. And, Miles, is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, the price includes a full English breakfast and use of the gym.
Learners, listen for the word included. It means it is part of the package. You don't pay extra money. Repeat this question. Do you have free parking?
Now, Sasha arrives at the hotel. She has a heavy suitcase. She walks to the big desk. This is the reception.
Hello. Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Sasha Brown.
Welcome. Yes, I see your name here. May I see your ID and your passport, please?
Here is my passport, and here is my credit card for the room.
Thank you. Your room is number 408. It is on the 4th floor. The lift is on your left, just past the stairs.
Miles used a British word, lift. L-I-F-T. In America, people say elevator, but here we use the lift. Repeat after me. Where is the lift?
What time is checkout? Checkout is the time you must leave the room on your last day. Usually, it is at 11 a.m. And here is your key card.
I have my card. I go to my room, but then I come back down. I have many questions about the facilities. Excuse me, assistant, does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available for all guests. The password is written on your keycard folder.
Is there a swimming pool or a fitness center?
Yes, the pool is on the first floor. It is open from 8 in the morning until 8 at night.
Do you have a laundry service?
Yes, we offer laundry. If you give us your clothes now, they will be ready by tomorrow morning.
Facility. F-A-C-I-L-I-T-Y. These are the special parts of the hotel: the pool, the Wi-Fi, the laundry. Repeat this. What is the Wi-Fi password?
Sasha is finally in her room. She is tired from traveling. She wants to stay in bed and eat dinner. She picks up the phone.
Hello, this is room 408. I'd like to order some dinner, please.
Certainly, room 408. What would you like to order?
Can I have one club sandwich and a hot coffee, please?
Of course, that will be with you in 20 minutes. Would you like to charge it to your room?
Miles, wait. Learners must know this. What is charge it to my room?
It means you don't pay cash to the waiter now. They add the price to your final bill. You pay for everything when you check out.
Oh dear, Miles. There is a problem. My room is very noisy and the heater is broken.
Don't be angry, Sasha. In British English, we must be polite. We use the politeness formula. Listen.
Excuse me, I am so sorry to bother you, but the air conditioning isn't working in my room.
I am very sorry about that, Miss Brown. That is a great inconvenience. I'll send a repairman right away.
Thank you. Also, the room next door is a bit noisy. Can I change rooms to a quieter floor?
Certainly. We have a quiet room on the 6th floor. We will help you move your bags.
Bother. B-O-T-H-E-R. It means to interrupt someone. If you start with, I am sorry to bother you, the staff will feel respected and they will help you faster.
Oh no, Sasha is in the museum and she realized her phone is missing. Let's go back to the hotel.
Excuse me, I think I left my mobile phone in the restaurant this morning.
Don't worry, I will check our lost and found box. What does it look like?
It is a black phone with a clear case and a small scratch on the corner.
Yes, someone found it near the window. Here you are.
Thank you so much. I'm so relieved. One more thing. Can you help me book a taxi to the airport for tomorrow morning?
Of course, a taxi will be waiting for you at exactly 6 a.m.
My stay is finished. I must go home. It is time to check out. Hello, I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning. Of course. I hope you enjoyed your stay with us.
It was very nice, thank you. May I have my final bill?
Here it is. Let's check the items. The room price, the pasta, and the laundry.
Yes, everything looks correct. Can I pay by card?
Certainly. Just tap your card on the machine. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you for all your help.
Well, Sasha, we traveled through every part of the hotel. Let's do a recap in sequential order with the meanings.
Let's start with vocabulary. Single, double, and twin. These are the types of rooms. Remember, lift is the machine that goes between floors, and your key card is your plastic key.
Next, hotel life. Included, meaning zero extra cost. Included. Lost and found is where items go when you forget them, and checkout is the time to leave the hotel.
And finally, the social phrases. Charge it to my room, so you pay at the end. I am sorry to bother you, the key phrase for being a polite guest, and may I have my bill, to ask for your total price.
Daily learners, you are all champions. You just survived an English Masterclass. You are speaking better with every minute.
Yes, go to the comments and tell us, have you ever stayed at a famous hotel? And what do you like more, the breakfast or the swimming pool?
We read every comment. Subscribe, like, and share this with a friend who travels. Download our show notes PDF below. Stay toasty and keep talking. Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, travel friends. See you soon.
Simple English for daily life.